Once upon a time, in a magical forest, lived a group of friendly birds, beasts, and a little bat named Batty. Batty was small and shy, but he had a big heart. Every morning, the birds would sing beautiful songs, waking up the forest. The beasts would join in, roaring and trumpeting to the melody of the birds' songs. Batty loved to listen to their music, but he couldn't join in because he couldn't sing or roar. One day, as the sun was setting, Batty felt a little sad. He wished he could contribute to the forest's harmonious morning symphony. So, he decided to ask the birds and beasts for help. The next morning, Batty approached the group. "Dear friends," he said, "I love listening to your beautiful songs every morning, but I wish I could join in. I don't have a song of my own, but I can echo your sounds." The birds and beasts looked at each other, and then they laughed. "Batty, your echoing sounds can add a special touch to our songs," they said. And so, from that day forward, Batty joined the birds and beasts in their morning symphony, echoing their beautiful sounds. Every morning, the forest woke up to the harmonious melody of the birds' songs, the roars and trumpets of the beasts, and the echoes of Batty. They were the most beautiful sounds in the world, and the forest was filled with happiness. And as the sun set, Batty would fly up to the highest tree, listening to the echoes of the day. He was happy because he had found a way to make a difference in the forest, and he learned that everyone has a special talent to share. The end.